ಮುಖ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿ. Yes.
What you wanted.
Yes. By the way, hello guys.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Yes, thank you.
Full hawa.
And he brings supplies.
Congratulations.
Thank you, my boy.
Full feels 12 minute 12.
Vinayak Patil, how excited are you for me?
Super excited. Finally got your phone.
I'll tell the viewers about the story of me buying this iPhone. The dard I went through when I had my OnePlus thingy.
Yes.
Yes.
That was not worth it. But this will be worth it for another 4 years.
Yes. Inshallah, then देखा जाएगा. Yeah, I'm heading out. It's 3 in the afternoon. It's very sunny. I'll explain what I'm doing on the way, okay? Yes. Hello, guys.
Hello. Nice.
Nice, no?
Yes.
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 Too much screen time. Joel Ambrosius. This guy is my personal trainer. If by any chance weight get ilitpa andre yes, Vinayak Patil, full ready. By the way, we're going to the gym. Yes, hello Vinayak. Sir, Uber OTP sir, please.
6969.
69. Always.
But Bhatta on the full hawa. What do you feel that?
Hawa andra Bhatta andra hawa.
Yes. Come on, Joey.
Most of the hawa. Hercules with me.
Yes. Nice. Since I didn't tell you guys before, I had a OnePlus 6T, okay, and I bought it in actually 31st of December 2018, which is the new year of 2019, because my iPhone 6, well, it got drowned in water. Fun fact, 3 months into buying my OnePlus 6T, we had been to swimming pool, okay, all of us, like all of my friends, Kaka, Pratik, Vinayak, everybody. So Kaka took his OnePlus 6 and jumped in the pool. His phone is OnePlus 6. He can jump in the water, even I can jump in the water, it's no biggie. But then both of our phones got ruined. But we both got it repaired and yeah, 14,000. I got the phone repaired, 14,000 rupees, and 1 week into that, dropped the phone and screen again damaged. But I dealt with it. And I used that broken screen iPhone for like 6 months until Ridermania 2019, and the next day I got back home and I dropped that phone from the first floor of my house. Long story short, I got it repaired again for like 8,000 rupees. So 42,000 rupees for OnePlus 6T, and I paid 22,000 extra for all the necessary things. Yeah, I'll be there. Hold on. Yeah, and I waited for a while. Not for a while. I waited for 2 years and finally upgrade. Let's take you guys through the whole video today. I'm not doing anything special. I'm just hanging out with my friends. I'll show them the phone. They'll be like, huh? Full of Bhatta, finally, huh? That's it for the content for this video. Thank you. Yes, Pratikanji, look at my new iPhone.
Congratulations, man.
Yes, thank you. I don't know. Bye. Vinayaka,
Yes.
how was your workout?
Super. I'm tired of this.
Which juice do you want, man?
Watermelon sugar.
Aha. Love watermelon juice, man. Peaceful eater Vinayaka. Hercules Vinya.
Hercules with me.
Yeah, I'll go home, take a shower, and I'll come back. Helmet got fungus, bro. I need to buy new helmet. Thinking of that for a while. Hello again, Vinayaka. Udkal back lake. Waiting for Kaka now, and I think Pratik is on the way. I don't know about Chowdhury, but I forgot to call Amok. Wait. So peaceful, bro. Yes, Vinayak. I have iPhone 12. What do you have, man?
What show off you do, bro? I have 12 mini.
You talk, bro.
What do you have, bro?
You talk, bro. I have 12, bro. You have 12.
I have 12 mini, bro.
Yes, bro. Yeah, full twinning.
Full peace.
Amok said he'll come in like 15 minutes, but we'll wait for Kaka. Kaka is very important. He hasn't seen the phone yet, so when he'll come, he'll be like, Let's see if he does that. Yes, Kaka, hi. He's wearing AirPods Pro. Like, he's flexing already. Please, today is my day. Say some good things about my phone, please.
iPhone 11 is the best.
Kaka, viewers wanted. Do this. Thank you, thank you. So that was Kaka, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Yes, Ammo Agadi, say congratulations to my phone. You are very late.
Congratulations, Bhatta.
Thank you so much.
Finally, you got a new phone.
Yes,
and
thank you. Time is 8:30. You are very late.
So me with Abhishek Chaudhary.
Yes. Abhishek Chaudhary always late. So yes, after that day, this is 2 days later, I just finished editing and I realized that I didn't shoot the final clip. If you guys didn't know this already, me buying a new phone is a very huge deal because I have suffered enough with my previous phone. It had a broken front camera, one among a million broken things in it. But yeah, it was barely workable and it got ruined and I got a new phone. So since I have a new phone, I can just point and shoot on any given day. So I think the video posting percentage is gonna increase. I just hope so. Yes, congratulations to myself and yeah. Finally, thank you so much for all the support that I've been getting since the past week or two. Yeah, this is the end of the video. So yeah, thank you so much for making me a part of your day. My name is Bhatta. Welcome to the fam. Adios.
Bitches on my dick cause a boy so mysterious. That's a mystery. Thoughts making history. Wrist keeps spinning like a fucking rotisserie.